Okay. We are going to show you how to do an if like this in assembly. Okay. The next step is we are going to show you how to do if else in assembly. Okay. And how to do loops, for loop, while loop, and finally do while loop in assembly. Okay? So pay attention to this part, because this part is not difficult. It's easier than branch and link. Okay? Ready? Branch and link. Now we go back to this part. To the if first on page number 16. So pay attention to the condition. Okay? Condition here. These two instructions correspond to the diamond shape. The diamond shape. CMP stand for compare. Branch less than or equal is BLE. Branch less than or equal. Okay? Correspond to the diamond shape. Cool? This is the if. And we look at this part as the body. Okay? Let's take a look at the big picture. Ready? Let's continue to if else. For if else, they are similar. Diamond shape again. See that? Compare BLE followed by BLE. Compare followed by BLE. And now we have two bodies. Two bodies. This is the if body, and the second part is the else body. Okay? So the if body and the else body. And at the end of the if body, we have a branch instruction. This one has no condition. What does it mean, no condition? Always jump. When you hear the word branch, you interpret it as jump. Okay? You jump from here to exit without condition. Okay? You jump from here to exit. Cool? That's I want to show you the similarity between if else loops first in a big picture. Okay? Ready? Now, let's go to the loop. We pay attention to this part again. Compare branch greater than GT, branch BGT, branch greater than. And you can see that this is a loop of summation. I equals 1 to 10. And we can use a for loop. From a for loop, we can draw a flow chart. From the flow chart, we can write a simple assembly code. Okay? So, for I equals 1 to 10, we are going to use this summation again and again in while loops, in do while loops. Okay? No matter what kind of loop, we always have condition to loop, right? To loop. And you can see the condition checking is at the beginning of the loop. This is the body. This one is the body. The loop body. Okay? And you can see in the next example, which is a do while loop on page number 20. Okay, let's take a look at the big picture. The condition is here. This is the body. This one corresponds to the body. This one corresponds to the condition. Okay? And you can see, do while loop, check the condition at the end. Can you tell the difference between for loop and do while loop? For loop, the condition is at the beginning and then the body, right? And then you go back like this to exit. But for do while loop, you do the loop body first and then you check the condition. Okay? There are two different ways to do the loop. I don't care how they call them. You just need two different ways, because either do the loop body first or check the condition first. Okay? There are two ways, just two ways to do the loop. Check the condition first, like this. This is for, this is Y also. This is do Y. Do Y allows you to do the loop body once, at least one time, and then check the condition. And if the condition is true, you go back and do the loop body again. Can you see the difference now? Can you see the difference now? Okay. What is your favorite loop? While loop? While loop and for loop, they are the same. Huh? Do loop. What language? I don't. Do why or do? It's a do why, right? Huh?
It's a new technique. It's a new technique from what I've learned.
Okay, maybe please make sure that whether it's condition checking first or checking last. Okay? I don't care what language you are going to use, but there are just two different ways to do the loop. Checking the condition first or checking the condition at the end.